Following the tragic death of Kevin Kiptum, a world record holder from World Athletics, international community leaders and organizations have come to the forefront to mourn his death. Kenyan President William Ruto, before the cabinet meeting, together with his cabinet, observed a 1-minute silence to honor Kevin Kiptum. In a recent statement by the President of Kenya, President Ruto, ordered that construction of a 2-bedroom house by the time he would be laid to rest. The construction have just begun, and Kenyans are sure by the time Kevin Kiptum will be laid to rest that the construction will be done. This, of course, is one of the best things to offer this world record holder, apart from Kenyans asking themselves why did not the government recognize people who have bring medals in the country, and yet they do recognize them.